Albany to talk. For joining us, I'm Katrina Smith. It's Saturday, June 25th, another day for local high school graduations. Meteorologist Eric Gage joins us now with that all-important graduation forecast. Eric.
Guys, nothing but good news. Warm temperatures and sunny skies. Noticeable humidity, but still a light breeze. Looking like a very beautiful day to celebrate graduation on the first weekend of summer. So we're finally in summertime now. Let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Looking dry in our area right now. Sunshine across the board. Temperatures already in the upper 60s in the Utica-Rome region. We continue to rise up into the 70s and eventually 80s hitting the afternoon hours. Dew point is in the 50s, slowly rising up into the 60s. We're going to see much more comfortable temperatures today for humidity as well. Sunny and very warm today. Looking mild tonight, falling only into the 60s and tracking even more hot and humid conditions heading into tomorrow. Track our next chance of rain showers heading into tomorrow evening. Today, though, highs in the 70s and 80s. We're looking at sunny skies and light breeze, tracking what to expect for the next couple of days coming up. Back over to you, Katrina.
Thank you.
York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning. Happy Saturday and a beautiful Saturday for summer as well. Temperatures rising from the 70s into the 80s this afternoon with sunny skies and a light breeze. Just noticeable humidities. Take a look outside. It's our Cavity Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. As you can see right now, blue skies across the board. We're seeing clear conditions across your areas. Look across the New York State Mesnet. Still blue skies all the way from Morrisville over to Oppenheim as well, down to Lawrence and Brookfield. Blue skies across our area now. Looking dry on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're tracking dry conditions at least until we head into Sunday evening before our next chance of rain showers arrive heading into the evening. Around the clock today, very warm, already reaching the 70s by the early morning hours, heading the afternoon, reaching the 80-degree mark by noon, heading into the mid to upper 80s, heading to the evening hours as well. Just a light breeze today, so the breeze will not take down at least for the temperature at all, feeling a little bit warm, temperatures in the 80s as well. And sunny skies across the board, starting in the early morning hours, lasting to the evening. We have a high pressure directly over our area. So as you can see right now is a high pressure directly over our area right now. What this is doing is this is creating very low breezes as well with very sunny skies across our area right now. This is a dome of high pressure. Now our next chance of rain showers is out to the west. This is a very slow moving front, as you can see, explained for the past yesterday as well as last weekend. There still is a very strong blocking high pressure way out to the east that is making these systems move very slowly still. It is still out to the east in Atlantic right now. This is going to be moving in later on to Sunday evening. So we're tracking sunny skies and dry conditions at least for today, heading to tonight and lasting into early tomorrow. Taking a look at our skycast, we're rising into the 80s today with sunny skies across the board. A few clouds, but still very warm today. Just a beautiful day to spend the time outside. We're going to cool down to the 60s, very mild heading into tonight with passing clouds. We look to head into much more partly cloudy skies tomorrow and warming up into the upper 80s, heading into the 90s possibly as well. For our next chance of rain showers move in. This could produce some locally heavy rainfall and a few periods of rumbles of thunder. We're not expecting any severe weather at this time, but still after some thunderstorms move through our area from a cold front, the humidity and temperatures will break heading into Monday morning and Monday afternoon. Temperatures only rising into low 70s with very low dew points and a break in humidity. Heading into Tuesday, early Tuesday morning, we cool down back into the 50s. We're seeing much more seasonable temperatures. Our dew point trend, we're currently going to be in the 60s for today, reaching the much more humid conditions heading into tomorrow. So overall, we're currently at the comfortable stage of temperatures rising into the muggy stage heading into today. Now tomorrow we will rise into the humid stage of humidity. Tonight, lows in the 60s, partly cloudy. It will be mild tomorrow. Very warm as well. Highs in the 90s, hot and humid. PM rain showers are expected. A little bit breezy as well. Our 7-day forecast, we're tracking rain showers later on tomorrow evening, turning into rain showers early Monday morning, breezy as well. And those temperatures cool down into the low 70s for Tuesday and Wednesday, the start of next week, for warms back up into the 80s by Thursday and Friday. Our trivia question, what is America's most popular barbecue meat in the summer?
I know I would go for burgers, but I think more people maybe do hot dogs. So let's say A, hot dogs.
Hot dogs, and you were right. And I thought it was burgers, so I looked at the new today as well.
Like if your preference would definitely be a burger over a hot dog, but I guess hot dogs are the most common.
I didn't know that, so.
Thank you so much, Eric. Well, a teaming of a different kind at Murnane Field. Pretty cool. For another half hour of News Channel 2 Weekend today, I'm Katrina Smith. It's Saturday, June 25th. Get you right over to the Weather Center with meteorologist Eric Gage.
Sunny skies. If anyone's planning on it, going to do any sort of graduation festivities, looking like on the warm side, but still sunny conditions. An absolutely gorgeous summer day today.
What more can we ask for, right?
Yes, that's right. Let's take a look at what to expect today. Temperatures rising into the mid to upper 80s across some areas today with sunny skies across the board. We take a look at our chances of rain over the next couple of days. Looking to remain dry for today. Heading tonight and even early tomorrow looking dry. Our next chance of rain showers looks to arrive heading into the evening between around 9 o'clock in the afternoon or in the evening on Sunday. Heading to early Monday morning, the morning commute could be a little bit rainy. The rain showers heading into Sunday and early Monday could have the possibility of producing some rumbles of thunder and locally heavy rainfall, but are currently at the non-severe risk. We're not expecting hail, not expecting a risk of any tornado at all, so there's not the ingredients in place for any severe weather at this time. Right now, currently it is 67 degrees, quickly warming up into the 70s and 80s today. Humidity still in the 50s. Tonight we cool down into the 60s. Breaking down what to expect for the next couple of days coming up. Back over to you, Katrina.
Thank you so much, Eric.
Dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. A sunny and warm summer day today is expected. Temperatures rising into the 80s with sunny skies, a light breeze, and noticeable humidity. Here's a live look at our Cavite Tower camera. Overlooking the city of Utica is currently 75 degrees already in the Utica-Rome region right now. In the Mohawk Valley, temperatures will continue to rise up into the 80s heading the afternoon. A look across the state as well. Sunny skies across the board from east to west in our central New York area. Blue skies from high pressure currently over our area right now. Live look New York for Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar looking dry for today, heading to tonight and even early tomorrow morning before we track our next chance of rain showers heading into Sunday night. Scout temperatures early on this morning around 7 a.m. 53 degrees in Gray, heading into the upper 60s and 68 degrees in Mohawk, 63 in New Hartford, 67 in Clinton, and as well as 63 over in Curtis Corners. Southern Valley's temperatures still in the 60s. A very warm morning this morning, 63 degrees in Hartwick. Around the clock today, expect very warm and sunny conditions. Temperatures already in the 70s right now, rising to the 80s as by noon and hitting the mid to upper 80s, heading into 3 to 5 o'clock in the evening hours. Absolutely warm today with light breeze as well, so the breeze will not offer a lot of relief for that temperature as well. I want to put on some sunscreen because looking ahead towards today, now looking like seeing a lot of clouds for our forecast. Temperatures rising to the 80s with sunny skies from start to finish across the area today. Radar and satellite, we have a high-pressure dome directly over our area, basically making very light breezes as well as clear skies across the board. This will be slowly moving east, tracking our next chance of rain showers heading out from the west. This is currently our next chance of rain, currently affecting some areas of Wisconsin and Minnesota. Now, this is moving very slowly, so it's not going to be reaching our area until heading into Sunday evening. This is a track of the current trend of where this front is expected to move. Taking a look at our skycast. Starting out temperatures today rising into the 70s and 80s with sunny skies across the board. Humidity is noticeable, not too high. Looking to see increasing humidity heading into tomorrow. With that increased humidity, temperatures are only going to fall into the 60s, very mild tonight, falling into the mid-60s in the Utica-Rome region, rising up into the 80s and eventually 90s by the early afternoon tomorrow with very high humidity as we're tracking the next chance of rain showers moving in. This could bring some possibility of a few rumbles of thunder and some localized heavy rainfall. It's not expected to produce any severe weather at this point. After this, the humidity breaks, skies look to clear, temperatures are going to fall into the lower 70s with much less humidity and falling into the 60s and 50s heading into early Tuesday morning. This is a current idea of what to expect for rainfall. We're not expecting a whole lot, a complete washout, but still some areas could see a quarter to half an inch of total rainfall accumulation. This all will be scattered rain showers for tomorrow. Tonight, lows in the 60s, partly cloudy. It will be mild. Tomorrow, very warm. Highs in the 90s, low 90s with hot and humid conditions. PM rain showers are expected with a bit breezy conditions. Our 7-day forecast, after Monday, we cool down into the low 70s, 72 for Tuesday, warm back up into the 80s for Thursday and Friday. Our trivia question, SPF on sunscreen stands for what?
A or C? A.
A?
Oh, you stumped me for once.
Sun protection factor, and I'm pretty sure it is, yeah, it is sun protection factor. And I almost thought you got 2 for 2. I'm pretty sure that the answer was close to that. So.
Yeah, thank you so much. I learned something today. Well, travelers will be watched now by TxDOT.
Forecast tonight, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening. Hoping everyone got outside to enjoy the sunny and very warm day today. Temperatures reaching the 80s. In fact, here's a look at the high temperatures recorded in New York State Mesonet today. Camden and Griffith both checking in with 87 degrees for highs. Westmoreland with 85, as well as Woodgate and Herkimer. And Lawrence, a little bit cooler, checking in with 83 degrees. Live look at Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar looking dry across the region right now, looking to remain dry heading into tonight. However, it's a perfect evening to get out and enjoy some ice cream. Today's temperatures rising to the 80s. We're expecting decent melting, but overall a beautiful evening to spend on time outside with sunny conditions. Highs currently in the 70s and 80s, 87 degrees in the Utica-Rome region with sunny skies across the board. It'll be warm and sunny this evening, cooling down to the 70s. It'll be mild tonight, only falling into the 60s. Very mild with increasing clouds. It'll be hot and humid tomorrow. We're tracking our next chance of rain heading into tomorrow evening. Tonight, lows in 60s, probably cloudy and mild. Breaking down when to expect our next chance of rain on Sunday coming up. Back over to you, Saira.
Thank you, Eric. A U.S.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. We're continuing to see very warm temperatures today, already in the 80s. We're looking to continue to see warmer temperatures even tomorrow for our next chance of rain showers, bring temperatures back down into the 70s heading into Monday. Here's a live look at our Rapido camera overlooking the city of Oneonta. Absolutely gorgeous conditions outside right now. Very warm, however. We're seeing some slight humidity, but not too bad. Well, our humidity is looking to rise as we head into tomorrow. Here's a live look at Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar looking dry across our region for the time being. And once again, the next chance of rain showers is not expected to arrive until heading into Sunday evening. Here's a look at our comfort index. Now, this is a new graphic we're using right now. Basically, each quarter is showing what's the expected hot and dry, hot and humid, cold and muggy, or cool and dry. And this middle part right here is the expected ideal conditions for a perfect top 10 day. Now, heading into tonight and tomorrow, looking to increase humidity, heading into much more higher temperatures, hitting the 90s as well. So overall, the trend of current conditions for humidity and heat is currently in the hot and humid category heading into tomorrow. Scout temperatures in the 80s. We had 85 degrees in Barneveld, 81 degrees, 91 reported in Gray, 83 in Mohawk with 89 degrees in Clinton. Across Southern Valleys, temperatures in the 80s as well, 78 in Milford with 85 in Eaton and Whitesboro as well, and 84 down in Worcester. The bigger picture, a high pressure system that kept our area pretty much clear of a lot of clouds today is slowly moving to the southeast. Now, this is going to keep our area clear for weather for tonight and even early tomorrow morning. Now, our next chance of rain showers is looking to arrive heading into tomorrow evening. Now, this is the current trend of the cold front. This will be producing some scattered showers and a few rumbles of thunder heading into tomorrow evening. The timing of that will be coming up in just a second. Here's what to expect as we head into our Skycast. Tonight we cool down into the 60s, a very mild and clear night tonight. Humidity will still be slowly rising as a warm front moves through our area, bringing some much more warmer temperatures into the 90s as well. Increasing humidity, we cool down to the 60s. You rise up once again back in the 70s, 80s, and eventually the 90s heading across some lower areas, especially west of the Mohawk Valley. And we cool up rise up to the 80s as well. We're tracking additional widespread showers, scattered thunderstorms as well. They're not going to be on the severe side right now. Expect locally heavy rainfall heading into tomorrow evening. This looks to dry up heading into early Monday morning. Chance of additional showers. We dry up with seeing mostly or partly cloudy skies. Temperatures cooling back down into the lower 70s. We cool down once again tomorrow, heading into Monday night, cooling down back into the 50s with increasing cloud cover. Look to see cooler temperatures heading into early next week. Tonight, lows in the 60s, partly cloudy, mild tomorrow. It's going to be hot and it's going to be humid. Our connections to rain showers and thunderstorms arrive in the evening hours, high of 91. A bit breezy too. Our next chance of seeing much more windy conditions head into Monday as a cold front moves through our area. We cool down to the lower 70s for Tuesday and Wednesday. We rise right back up into the 80s for Thursday and Friday. For our next chance of rain comes once again heading into Saturday. Over to you, Taha.
Coming up, the Yankees looking to avoid 2 losses in a row against the
Forecast tonight, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Evening, a sunny and very warm day across central New York today. Highs reaching the 80s, and in fact, we did get an update on the highs for today, especially across our area. Griffith reached 88 degrees. We were 2 degrees away from 90 degrees. Also, Camden checked in with 87 degrees. Westmoreland, Woodgate, and Herkimer all with 85 degrees for highs, and Lawrence checking in with 83 degrees. Live look at Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar looking dry in our region right now. We're tracking rainfall heading into tomorrow evening. We're tracking dry conditions right now. However, temperatures in the 60s in the Utica-Rome region, looking to remain in the 60s throughout the night. Very mild temperatures. Dew points are in the 60s right now, so we're going to start seeing a little more humid conditions heading into tomorrow. Weather headlines: mild and partly cloudy tonight. We're tracking hot and humid conditions for tomorrow, especially the early morning to mid-afternoon hours. We're tracking rain showers and possible storms arriving tomorrow evening. This evening, heading into tonight, temperatures in the low 60s. Breaking down what to expect for rainfall over the next couple of days, specifically heading into Sunday evening coming up. Back over to you, Saira.
Thank you, Eric. New tonight, fire.
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. After a sunny and very warm day today, temperatures will continue to rise tomorrow into the low 90s for tracking our next chance of rain showers. Very high humidity tomorrow as well. Here's a live look at a router camera overlooking the city of Oneonta. Clear skies tonight, very mild as well. Temperatures only falling into the 60s with the humidity keeping our air pretty much on the much more mild conditions for tonight. Here's a live look at a Yorkville battery. Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar looking dry in our region for the time being. Once again, our next chance of rain showers is expected to arrive heading into Sunday evening, heading into early Monday morning. Take a look at our comfort index. Now, so far today, we were in the hot and dry region. We're currently in the cool and muggy conditions for tonight. Now, as you can see, the temperature will continue to rise up with much more humid and very hot conditions for tomorrow, before we cool back down again due to a cold front. And as you can see, the blue area in the middle of the chart is for ideal top 10 conditions for less humidity as well as warm conditions as well. It's going to be very hot. It's going to be very humid tomorrow. Around the clock tomorrow, temperatures will start out into the 60s and 70s, continue to rise into the 80s, mid-80s by the afternoon hours, rising to the 90s we head in the afternoon hours before a cold front arrives, cooling those temperatures back down to the mid-80s and cooling back down once again into the 70s overnight. It's going to be breezy as well, a bit of a relief for the sunshine, as was very sunny today and warm. However, the winds were not strong today. It will be strong heading into tomorrow with breezy conditions. Now, overall, weather grades sunny across the board. You can enjoy your outdoors tomorrow. However, heading into the evening hours between 5 and 6 o'clock, our chance of rain skyrockets as a cold front moves through our area, bringing some scattered showers as well as some thunderstorms possible heading into tomorrow. Our radar and satellite, we have a high pressure slowly moving out to the southeast right now. This brought us a lot of clear and very less breezy conditions. Now, as this high pressure moves down to the south, we can start bringing in some much more humid air as a lot of this moisture is going to be pushed up from the high pressure up into our area tomorrow. And on top of that, we have a cold front barreling through our area. Now, it's barreling through our area, but it's barreling through very slowly. It's moving our area heading into Sunday evening, the timing of which is what to expect as we head in, look into our skycast. Now, tonight, going to be mild, falling into the 60s across our area with partly cloudy skies. Warm back up into the 70s, 80s, and eventually 90s tomorrow with partly cloudy skies. Mainly dry for the most part of the day, very humid as well. We continue to see increasing chances of rainfall, especially as we head into the evening hours. This rainfall will expect to move into our area overnight, with rain showers continuing into the early morning hours of Monday. Tracking drier and cooler conditions as we head into Tuesday. Highs only Monday as well. Monday and Tuesday, highs reaching only the mid to low 70s. Tonight, lows falling into the 60s, partly cloudy skies. It will be mild as well. Tomorrow, very hot and very humid with rain showers in the after and evening hours. Highs in the 90s. Our 7-day forecast looking warm tomorrow. A bit breezy head into Monday. Those temperatures cool right back down into the 70s and lower 70s by Tuesday and Wednesday. Warm right back up again into the 80s and upper 80s. We head into Friday for next chance of rain showers is expected to arrive on Saturday. Over to you, Taha.
Coming up, the Yankees looking